Alright guys, I wanted to make a quick video on how to bleed the lifters on the 4G63. It's pretty easy. These are top line lifters. These are aftermarket ones. But the procedure is the same for these or if they were stock OEM. What you want to do is, I've already done this one, but you see how you can push that in. This one's already bled out. But what you want to do is take a very small Allen wrench and put it in here, and you push down, and there's a little seal that it'll go through, and you're able to, what you want to do is pump a couple times. You can either turn it upside down if you want, but you just pump it, and that gets all the pressure out. After you pump it, you're able to push it down. So that one's done. This one you cannot push it down. It's fully, the pressure is all the way up on it, so you cannot push it down at all. What you want to do, take your Allen head, and you'll hear it. You'll hear the oil. Just in and out a couple times until you're able to compress it. Again, this one is stiff. Put your Allen key in there. Push down in the very middle if you can. Sometimes it's hard to find the spot. Sometimes it's hard to find it. There you go. Oh. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Okay. Again. Push it down in there. Get the pressure out. After that, you're able to push it down. So you'll hear it in there. You'll hear that oil in there. Again, once you're done, you should be able to push it down. I'm not going to show you how to do it. I'm not going to show you all up and done, but that's how you do that. And before you install them, you want to, wipe them off nice and clean. But if you would install these without them being bled out, if you install these in your cylinder head and you go to turn the motor over or you start it up, you'll possibly either bend some valves or possibly break something by doing that, because these need to compress in until they feel oil pressure up. So this is a must before you install these back in your cylinder head. But again, small Allen wrench, put it in the middle of it, push it down. In the middle, you gotta kind of find the sweet spot. There you go. You'll hear the oil in the air. So just push it down a couple times, pump it, and you're able to compress them down. So there you have it. That's how you compress and bleed out the 4G63 lifters for the cylinder head.